Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw One Punch Man. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with One Punch Man, let's begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make an oval shape that's just going to come down. Then I'm going to bring this up and curve it right back over to here. Kind of like an upside down egg. Now for the eyes, let's begin by making a line that's going to go right across here, and then a line that's going to go right across here. I'm going to bring this down and then up, and then same thing here, kind of down and then up here. Towards the top, let's go ahead and put a little dot inside each one. Then for the nose, let's bring this line down and then just over just the tiniest bit with a small little dot. Let's make a little line across for the mouth, and then a little line is going to go down and up. Do a little line across here for the tongue. For the eyebrows, let's just make a line that's going to come across here and a line that's going to come across here. For the ears, let's go up. We're going to come down and then back in. Same thing here, kind of up. We're going to go out, down, and in. We'll go up and down, and then up and down. And then out, in, and then out and in. Now, let's draw the hand over here. Now, to start off with this, let's begin by making a line that's going to come up and then down. Make another line that's going to go up and down, and then over and then down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line over, and we're going to come up. We'll make another line that's going to go over and then up, over and up, and then over and then up to here. Next, starting here, we're going to make this line come out. We're going to bring this over and then up right here for the thumb. We're going to make a little line here and a little line here for some detail. We're going to make a small curve right here. Now let's make his cape. So let's begin here. We're just going to come down and we're going to bring this right past the ear. We're going to make another line that's going to come up like this. Then we're just going to go out and we'll kind of bring it up with some bumps and then back down into here. Let's bring this line over to here. Then we'll come up and down. The other part of his cape is going to be right here. We're going to bring this line up and then down and then back up here. We're going to bring this over and then into here. Next, we're going to bring this line down. We're going to make a line up here. And then a line here and a line here. Then we're going to make a line right there. Next, over here, I'm going to bring this line out and then in. Make a couple little bumps. I'm going to curve it around and then bring it over to here. Bring this line here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and then into here. We're going to make this line come over. Then right here, let's draw a line that comes over and over for the glove. We're going to make this line come up. We're going to curve it around and then back up for the thumb. We're going to make this come over and down and then a little line here. We're going to curve it here, and then one more here. We're going to bring this line over. Next, starting here, I'm going to go down and then up here. Then we're going to draw that same shape here for the belt. We're going to put 2 lines here. I'm going to bring this line down with a small bump. I'm going to curve this line down for the leg, and then we're going to go down, over, and then up for the other part of the leg. Then we're going to curve this in here. We're going to bring this line down and up. Then we're going to make the other leg, but it's going to be much smaller because it looks like it's going to be farther back. Make a couple little lines here. And a couple little lines there. Then let's draw one line that goes down and up here, and then one more right here for part of his suit. And we're going to make 2 lines down and a circle with a little dot inside. And there you go. There is your drawing of One Punch Man. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.